Hey party people! Glad you're part of today's fun. In this upload today, we have this problem 16 to the power x minus 1 to the power x equals 255, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 255 into two numbers such as 17 times 15. Next, you are going to break down 17 into the summation of 16 plus 1 and express 15 as 16 minus 1. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 16 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Like, subscribe and comment if you loved this video.